Guys, hi. How are you guys today? I'm with you guys. Today our video is about Man City. Man City is the club that send players to World Cup. Many players send to World Cup. Like Haaland, Gavardio, Kusanov, Cherki, Kusanov, everything. The players have been sent to World Cup. And I just wanted to say that City, we have to win the 2026-27 Premier League, FA Cup, Carabao, and honestly, Champions League. Let's do it. La City. Peace.